What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel if you are new. If not, welcome back. And if you are new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I have all my ingredients all laid out because we are making an avocado hair mask, deep conditioner, whatever you want to call it. We're clearly using avocado. So these are all the ingredients you are going to need to make the mask. So let's begin. Alright guys, so I have just gotten out of the shower. I washed my hair. As you can see, it's still nice and wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this mixture here and I'm just going to start applying it to my hair, and I'm going to do it in sections like I always do. Like I always put my hair in sections when I do it. So I made a lot of this. I used a whole avocado, as you guys saw. I'm just going to take some of that and I'm just going to start applying it. Going to be super hydrating with all the oils in it. Avocado oil, the olive oil, and then the honey, which is a humectant. And also, next time I do this, I will probably put this in the blender. I was honestly just being very lazy. It's okay that it's chunky though. Yeah, I would definitely probably put this in a blender next time, but whatever. Let's get the job done. I'm just gonna like little avocado chunks in my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair off. I'm just going to apply it to the back. Definitely all natural and organic. Okay, so I think we got most of that bottom part done. Look at the curls, you guys. Beautiful. Alright, and let's do this top section now. This section is out of my way. kind of smush it in my hands a little bit, just so it's a little easier to apply. But I am making quite a bit of a mess, so just take note, this is messy. Really focus on my ends because they are dry. Let me get that through. Everything in there. Making sure to get our edges, those are important too. As well. Okay, now that we've gotten this side completed, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to do the other side off camera, and then yeah, I'll be back to show you my hair, and then I'll go rinse it and then show you guys the results. I have finished applying the rest of the homemade conditioner to my hair. As you can see, it kind of melts into your hair. I don't have as many chunks as I'd like started with in there, so it does kind of like melt down on your hair. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to leave this in for just 45 minutes. Okay, so I am back. I have gone ahead and I've rinsed out my hair. Hopefully I have gotten most of the pieces of avocado out of my hair. Hopefully I have. I rinsed my hair with lukewarm to warm water just so I can make sure I got a lot of the excess oil out of my hair as well. So my hair does feel very hydrated and moisturized, obviously because of all of the oils I put in it. I would recommend maybe doing it the opposite way. I would recommend doing the hair mask and then shampooing it out of your hair. Just a couple notes, like when you are applying it, there isn't really any slip, so you shouldn't expect slip. So don't expect this to be something you can actually like detangle with, because it's not slippery at all. But all in all, I have to say that I like it. It's not something that I would do all the time, but hey, whatever, it was worth a try. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.